Mastering the art of being invisible. Understanding, be in stealth mode. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often heard but not always fully understood. Be in stealth mode. This expression is rich in imagery and has various applications, both in everyday life and in professional contexts. So, if you've ever wondered what it means to be in stealth mode and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Be in stealth mode is a phrase that conjures images of secrecy and invisibility. Originally derived from military terminology, where stealth technology allows aircraft or ships to operate undetected, the phrase has since permeated popular culture and everyday language. To be in stealth mode means to act discreetly, to go unnoticed, or to do something quietly and without drawing attention. It's about maintaining a low profile while achieving one's goals or moving through a situation. Everyday life. In everyday contexts, being in stealth mode might refer to avoiding social interactions or keeping one's plans and activities private. For instance, if you're working on a surprise party for a friend, you might say you're in stealth mode as you prepare everything without letting the secret slip. Professional settings. In the workplace or in business, being in stealth mode often refers to companies or startups working on a new project or product under wraps. They keep their developments secret from the public and competitors until they're ready to launch. This strategy is used to avoid prematurely revealing information that could be advantageous to competitors. Technology and social media. In the realm of technology and social media, being in stealth mode can mean using settings or modes that allow one to browse or operate anonymously. For example, using a web browser in incognito mode to keep one's activities private can be considered a form of being in stealth mode. Understanding the context is crucial when using or interpreting the phrase, be in stealth mode. The tone and setting of the conversation can greatly influence its meaning. For example, in a light-hearted chat among friends, being in stealth mode might simply mean sneaking into the kitchen at night for a snack without waking anyone. In a business meeting, however, it could refer to a strategic decision to keep certain initiatives confidential. And there you have it, a closer look at what it means to be in stealth mode. This phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal, offering a vivid way to describe actions or strategies that involve secrecy, discretion, or the element of surprise. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand be in stealth mode in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Remember, whether you're moving quietly in the shadows or shining brightly in the spotlight, effective communication is key.